Duane Moser, a microbiologist at the Desert Research Institute. I particularly try to look at the interaction of microbes and the environment. This particular type of work often is a combination of microbiology and environmental chemistry, actually. So we measured a great variety of parameters in the water: temperature, the conductivity, the pH. A lot of the work that we're doing here are things that do make a difference in people's lives. When we first tackled the South African project, this was work that I was doing even before I got to DRI, actually. It really wasn't known how deep into the earth you could go and you could still find life. To get to the deep subsurface, we can't just walk there, we have to go there. The process of getting there, it means digging a mine, drilling holes. That's a very dirty process. You contaminate the environment all the way down with surface-derived organisms. One of the big discoveries that we made in South Africa was, in fact, that you can have different kinds of life, different kinds of ecosystems, different kinds of biospheres. So we found life in a place where it really shouldn't be. We had to explain how it was there. The only energy source that we could come up with that would survive, support that deep ecosystem was, in fact, radiochemistry. There's other rocky planets, rocky moons in our solar system. So if there's life on Mars, it would almost have to be in the subsurface. One thing NASA is really good about is trying to get the most bang for their buck on projects. So I didn't anticipate having Eureka moments in South Africa. They just sort of happen to you. Some huge insight just pops into your head. You look at a piece of data and you say, wow, where did that come from? What we really were targeting, I said, let's look in North America. You can actually get quite deep in some places in North America. The Great Basin is absolutely one of our major focuses on this project. There's also a lot of deep drilling that's being done around Death Valley, for example. So I'm bringing in Death Valley and the Nevada National Security Site. We're looking for the diversity of deep life, whether it's present or not, and also just how it makes its living. This exactly does right here. We're making huge progress on bringing these things, domesticating them, bringing them into the laboratory. If we learn how to recognize life, if we develop the tools, which is a big part of what our NASA Astrobiology Institute is about, if we learn how to do it here, I'm still young enough where I have a hope of taking these tools, taking these techniques, taking these approaches, and actually going to Mars and finding life on another planet.